Hello and good afternoon. Thanks for tuning in. My name's Sean Collins and I'm here with Keller Williams Realty here in Vacaville, California. And I've got 10 quick tips for you, things that you shouldn't do when you're trying to acquire your first home loan. Alright, number one, the first thing that you shouldn't do, you shouldn't change jobs. That's right. If you're in a job and you're looking to change jobs, now's not the time to do it. If you're looking to acquire a home loan, that's one of the requirements that the banks and the loan originators will be looking for, and that's for you to have a job that has lasted for a certain duration of time, so do not change jobs. Number two, the second thing that you definitely don't want to do is you definitely don't want to go out and get a new car. You don't want to go out and get a new car. You don't want to get a new van, new truck, SUV. Any kind of major payment on your credit is going to have a negative effect on your overall net worth. So you definitely don't want to acquire any kind of new payments during this process. Okay, guys, we're at number three. Number three, we definitely want to not use our credit cards excessively. Okay, guys, we want to stay within a range, maybe just paying out for our monthly bills, and we definitely want to make sure that we're paying those bills, those due payments on time, and definitely don't want to let any of our current bills that we have fall past due during this time, because the credit process, once again, they're going to be looking at it with a fine tooth comb, and you're going to definitely have to have the good ratings in order to get the best rate possible. So keep that in mind. Okay, guys, number four, this is going to be a time where you're going to need a lot of cash on hand, down payments, deposits, fees you're going to have to pay for. You got closing costs. There's going to be a bunch of fees that are going to come out of your pocket, so be prepared for that. And the money that you have saved up, remember that's what it's for, and don't go out and spend it because you're going to need it. We're at number five. Number five has to do with the application process itself. You got to make sure that you're very truthful on the application process. You don't want to try to hide any debts that you have, because once they run the credit report, they're going to find it, and that's going to have a negative impact on you with the lender. So definitely be truthful on all your applications and don't try to hide any debts. We're at number six, and number six is definitely one that kind of catches a lot of people by surprise. You're so excited that you're about to get into this new house, or you might be, slightly getting through the loan process. I would say you're pre-qualified, and you think that everything is good because your loan has been accepted, but it's not all good. There's still a lot of the process left. So don't go out and get new furniture or anything like that. Wait until after you have acquired your keys, you have moved in, and all the loans and all that have been set in stone and the ink has dried, okay? Because it could affect you in a negative way if you've gotten furniture against your credit before the process of the loan has actually happened. So keep that in mind. And number seven, you definitely don't want to get any new credit inquiries on your account. So that means no applying for loans. There's a lot of things out there that do a credit check when you're trying to apply for a new service, whatnot. So at this time, it's definitely not the time you want to be getting any kind of credit increase on your credit. Sometimes even cell phone accounts will run a credit check. So if you're in the range of buying a new gadget like a cell phone or something, and they tell you got to run your credit, let them know, hey, I'm buying a home loan, and right now it's not the time to run the credit, so if you can do it without it, do it without it. If you can't, then you might want to hold off on that item. Alright, guys, we're at number eight, and number eight has to deal with bank deposits. Say for instance you have a family member that says, hey, they want to help you out on your down payment for your home, which is all fine and dandy, but you got to make sure that you talk to your loan officer about that and make sure that it gets approved, because they're going to want to know where all of the money has come from, and they're going to want to have that proof that this was not a loan from some other organization or something like that that you are now indebted to. So they want to make sure that all of this money has been acquired through a gift or some sort. So your loan officer will talk to you about that, but you definitely want to inform them if you have any kind of deposits or anything coming into your account. The ninth thing that you don't want to do, you definitely don't want to change your bank accounts. Stay with the current bank that you're at. Don't make any drastic changes, because once again they're going to be looking at all your stuff and they're looking for stability. So stability means that you've taken care of all your stuff, you're managing everything in a timely manner, and you're a stable person. So keep that in mind. Number 10, the 10th and the final thing that you definitely don't want to do if you're trying to acquire a loan is co-sign on a loan for someone else. At this time, like I said, this is going to take away from that net value that you're worth, so I definitely can't co-sign for any friends, any family members at this time if they ask you to co-sign for a loan. Hey guys, I want to thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you guys got something out of this video. Once again, this was a request for a friend of mine that wanted to know the things he shouldn't do in order to get ready for a home loan. So once again, follow me, subscribe to the channel. We'll have a lot more information coming your way. Always do requests as well. If there's something that you want to know, shoot me an email or send me a text, and I will try my best to answer that question for you at my earliest convenience. You guys have a good day. This is Sean with Keller Williams Realty, and I'm out of here.